Hey gang, it's LT with LT Fit here. I am so excited because I finally published my book, finally. It took me a few years to muster up enough courage to get it out there because there's so many books, but I finally published it. It's called Raising the Bar at 50 and Older. Raising the Bar at 50 and Older, Fitness Lessons to Energize Your Life. And I decided to write this book because I trained so many people 50 and over that I wanted to impact more people with fitness. And fitness is my passion. I love what I do. I love fitness, but I love helping people and I love making an impact. So that's why I wrote this book, because I wanted to make an impact on more people. I didn't want to be limited to just the United States and Canada, because I've trained people in the United States and in Canada, but I never trained anyone outside of Canada or the United States. So I was like, how could I get this information to more people? How could I do this? What's the best way to do it? So I decided to write this book. It's a small book, a very short read, ebook. I have an ebook and I have a hand soft copy book that you could get. But in this book, I decided to just help more people with this information. So whether you're 50 and older or whether you're even younger, everything in this book can apply to anyone. You don't have to be 50 and older. I gear towards 50 and older people because it's so important at that age to work out. But no matter who you are, even if I'm 40 myself, I'm 40 and over. So if you're 40 and over, 30 and over, no matter what your age is, if you're looking to get healthy and get fit and you want nutrition help and you want fitness help, this book will be a great motivational tool. In the book, I have stories with people that's 50 and older. Most of the people I trained, some of them I didn't train, some of them I just admire from afar. You know, these people in this book impact my life. You know, I was helping with them, but they impact my life because I seen the motivation and the determination they had to make a difference with health and fitness. So that's why I decided to write a book, because I wanted to highlight these people, and I also wanted to give some of the knowledge I have with fitness and nutrition. So this is LT with LT Fit. If you have any questions, let me know. But this is my book, my first book out. I plan to do a few more, Raising the Bar at 50 and Older, Fitness Lessons to Energize Your Life. You can get it on Amazon, you can get it on Lulu, and you can also get it on my site. This is LT with LT Fit. Have a great day.